I don't know. He died a few years ago, but he left this in his will. How much do you think it's worth?
Not sure, but I'll buy it off you.
How much?
Here's the money. Good couple of grand.
Oh, save your money, because there is no way that is real.
It's definitely real.
What? How do we know that?
Well, he wouldn't stop bragging about it when I went over to her house.
Exactly. It's got to be real.
Yeah,
right?
But, I mean, it's a weird story. I mean, it could, how do we know that your grandparents got it, like, that it's real?
We don't care that it's fake or real. We'll take it.
It's obviously real.
Well, it's mine.
I'll double the price.
How about I'll triple the price?
How about nobody takes it? It's mine.
Come on, surely it's real.
I mean, if it is, but if it isn't, it's still really cool to have, don't you think?
Yeah, that's why I want it.
No, it's mine!
No.
It's just fake.
Wow, where does this even come from?
If you don't want to sell that, I'm gonna have to at least have to take 20%.
20%? You always take 50 from me.
Where did it even come from? It just fell into the palm of your hand.
Are you even sure if this is real?
Wait, give me this. This is definitely fake. Unlike my Ferrari I stole a couple days ago.
Really? What do you know about watches? It looks real to me. Anyway, I've got a Mint Dino 1987.
Are you serious?
What do you want to take that junk?
Fool. He's lying. This is way better than that.
Look, both of you, you'll get your car on your Ferrari soon, okay?
Where'd you two even get Ferraris from? And personally, I think I deserve the watch. I've literally had the best sales all week.
No way, I was looking out for Jack all last night.
Look, last time you look out, you went to the wrong job, you have put in a poor performance, and Zenny here, the only job he's gotten all week is this watch that fell straight into his hand. No skill at all.
I still caught it.
That takes no talent. A 2-year-old can do it.
Yeah, you just sat in your butt and caught it. No talent at all.
I still caught it. I bet you couldn't.
You know who's really useless? Finn. How do you even get lost? We were all there.
Hey, that ice cream truck had some pretty limited edition flavors.
Who cares about the flavors?
What type?
They had triple chocolate.
Triple chocolate.
Really? That's my favorite.
Same.
Finn, you idiot. That's the ice cream truck where we keep all of our stolen stuff.
Like you can talk. Triple chocolate's the best flavor there is.
Wait. The
Triple
ice cream truck had
chocolate
the
is not the
jewelry in
best. It's obviously strawberry.
Well, yeah, but
Triple
I couldn't
chocolate
eat
is
it with
the
the flake in
best.
it.
Shut up, Zeddy.
Stop talking about ice cream.
I know the ice cream shop they're talking about. I've been there before, but I think there's something dodgy with it because when I went there, I found a diamond ring in the bottom of one of the ice cream containers.
Are you sure it's not plastic? It looks very much plastic.
It's definitely diamond. It's not scratchable.
One time I went there, I bought some ice cream, I left out in the sun, later on it disappeared.
Yeah, newsflash. Ice cream melts. Anyways, that doesn't have to do with it. Let's just get back to the ring.
Well, I mean, the ring was found in an ice cream container, so they must be somehow connected.
Stop.
What's wrong?
The ring. It's like my grandma's.
What happened to your grandma?
Well, my grandma was Jerry, and the ice cream. You guys know Ben and Jerry, right?
Yes.
And that was the last thing I had of her.
Does Ben Jerry's ice cream melt? Because, I've never had it before. I'd like to know.
Not helping.
Wait, your grandma made Ben and Jerry's ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay.
They were the best.
Well, this is all very well, and I'm sorry about your grandma, but this really doesn't explain how a ring ended up in the bottom of an ice cream container.
I think I have an explanation to that.
Okay, and?
You dropped it in there.
I can't have dropped it in there. I've never had a ring like this before.
You sure?
Wait, could that be my grandma's ring?
Well, yeah, it could be, but it still doesn't explain how it ended up in an ice cream container.
Well, that doesn't really matter. Anyways, I want to hear more about your grandma because I feel like you're not really, telling the story correctly.
Stop. Okay, I'll tell you how she died. My grandma loved ice cream. She kept on eating ice cream until one day she was too fat and she died.
Okay, well, that's kind of tragic, but did your grandma get mauled by a horse?
No.
There's actually a pretty interesting story behind this, which, you probably won't know because it's only really family legend. She actually won a race and she was awarded this trophy, but then she sort of got mauled by a horse after. It's really tragic. I'm sorry that that happened to your grandma.
You didn't even feel sad.
Well, I didn't really know her that well, okay?
That's horrible. It's still a family member.
How did it happen?
She was mauled by a horse. She won the race. I reckon it's a curse.
Kimura thinks that her family's cursed. My family is cursed way more.
My mum found this ring in the attic the other day. She says that it's the origin of our whole cursed family.
What do you mean it's cursed? Just looks like a cheap one from Kmart.
If it's cursed, why are you wearing it in the first place?
Never mind. Doro, as it says on the box, means gold in Italian.
You know that ring is silver, not gold. So basically what you're saying makes no relevance to the name of the brand. Plus, I found this thing in my dad's drawers. I'm guessing it's a medal from...
Sure you didn't get it from a swimming competition last week?
Yeah, sure. And no, I did not get it from a swimming competition.
It says third place. Why would a war medal say third place?
Oh wait, let me see that. Nah, I'll tell you what, my dad works in a museum. Okay, I see stuff like this every day. This is totally fake. Here, take a look.
This is plastic.
Plastic stuff. Yep, all of these, completely fake. Look, the date is completely wrong. You guys.
Well, what about my ring?
Oh, actually, this one looks real.
Really?
Yeah. This one actually might be cut. Hey, is your finger kind of swelling up?
Oh my god! I told you it was cheap from Kmart.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
I'm gonna die! Oh my gosh!
I told you so.
Oh my goodness!
Where did it go?
Oh my gosh!
Alright, where's the box? Put it back in the box. Put it back in the box.
I don't want anything to do with that.
You should really take this back home. Oh my god.